How to make your voice deeper. Is that possible? Absolutely, and many people who've taken our 7-day video-based course on VoiceOver Masterclass have found the training most effective. There are 28 separate exercises in the full course, but we'll highlight a few here for you today, and we hope they do the thing for you.
Remember in our video on resonance, we invited you to find your body's natural resonant note by the low humming exercise we explained to you. This is boosting your resonance, but if you wish to actually deepen your voice as well, this will need a combination of further relaxing and humming exercises, gentle tongue stretches, lung expansion work, and an understanding of the soft palate and the function of the larynx. The soft palate is responsible for nasality in the voice, as it can shoot the voice up and out of the nose rather than out of the mouth. For example, if I go ah and hold my nose, nothing really happens. Try it now. Ah. But if I say the word hang, the sound goes nasal, and I can silence the sound by pinching the nose. Hang. That's because my soft palate has moved up. As for the larynx, getting to understand how to lower the larynx can help the voice sound much mellower and deeper.
Now, the area inside our throat where our voice is created is an incredibly complicated and very clever system. And I could show you some extraordinary 3D animations or actual photographs, but it may put you off your next meal. And you don't really want to be doctors. All you need to know is to treat this area with care. You need to put your fingers very gently on your throat. Lift your head up and put your fingers like that. The larynx is right in the middle of your throat. It's made of cartilage, and inside of that it holds your vocal cords. Now, there are various sets of muscles that can raise or lower the larynx. Highly simplified, the larynx goes up when you swallow, and the larynx goes down when you yawn. So, when you place your fingers or your hand very gently, don't press too hard on your throat under your chin. Swallow, and you'll feel the larynx go up. Yawn, and you'll feel the larynx move down. Now, before, when we were discussing resonance, I said put your hand here, and that can give you sort of feedback from how much your chest and vocal areas are resonating with low humming. So now I'm going to low hum, and I'm going to lower my larynx as well. And when I lower my arm, that's when the larynx is going down. Listen to the change in the type of voice. All right? So it's that kind of mellow sound. So it's you understanding how your larynx changes your voice and how much you can add that in.
In our next video, we'll explain how to improve general understanding of what you're saying to your listeners. We'll see you soon.
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now, over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.